guys, so today this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to, as you can see, I'm looking like Cynthia from the Rugrats, but that's okay. I don't mind showing y'all the real me. But I'm going to be installing some crochet. Oh, this grease, my friend make this grease. It is thebomb.com. I had this for like 2 months. It smells so good. So shout out to Big Des. She made that grease. And she does locks. So if you are in the Florida, Palm Beach County area, hit her up. Her business is Glorified Locks.
Yeah, my arms get so tired sometimes. If you braid your own hair, you know the struggle.
If y'all got one of these, get you one. I know it look dirty and yucky, but these are the best kind. You see that? Edges. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm using She Is Bomb Edge Control. It's black on. It's the best. I also have this. She Is Bomb. Bomb Goo. This, baby, your hair won't move, okay?
Solid. So these are crochet. These are the rope twist ones. I love these. They're so cute. So you just take your hook. This is a crochet hook. Oops, sorry. I put it through my braid first, then attach the hair, then pull it through. Now when it's looped like this, you take your hair and you just pull through like that. Boom, and that's what you got. a rope twist. I have different sizes, but who cares? You shouldn't be all in my head anyways. My head is.
You like my hair? You like my hair back?
Talking about it, hot Cheeto. Are you recording?
Oh yeah, this is going on YouTube.
Alright, cool. I'm Roxanne.
Babe, that's your same bag? Oh no, don't eat mine. Mine, I ain't gonna tell you what mine is.
Alright, you guys, so I am finished. I love it. That's my fiance singing, in case you were wondering. But I'm finished. I love it. So cute.